Good job.
5, 6, 7,
Go.
8,
Mama.
9, and 10. Do you see Mr. Fuzzy up here?
Okay, so it's just turn, Tyler.
Andy's turn.
Yeah, we can take turns jumping.
Mr. Fuzzy is not at the top of the waterfall. Maybe Mr. Fuzzy's in the tall grass. To get to the tall grass, we have to jump from rock to rock.
Jump, jump, jump.
Let's count the rocks.
After that, it's my turn again to do the
1 rock,
tall
2
grass.
rocks, 3
Andy,
rocks,
stand up.
4 rocks, 5 rocks, 6 rocks, 7 rocks, 8 rocks.
Okay, I'll just do the 10 rod.
Great
I'll just do
job.
the tall
You
grass.
are a really good
Okay.
jumper. Do you
Okay.
see Mr. Fuzzy?
Hey.
Let's look all around.
Hi.
Start talking about
Tall grass.
it.
Maybe Mr.
Come.
Fuzzy's in the forest. We need to go through the tall grass to get to the
Come.
forest.
Okay, says jump with him.
Lift up your knees nice and high.